Vidyz V2 review demo and $3,797 bonus. Hey, what's up guys? This is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and you know that I'm reviewing products for you guys almost every single day, but to be honest, I'm only using maybe 10 to 15 products that I pay for every single month that help me in my business, and Vidyz 2.0 is one of these products. So this is something that any person with any kind of a page should have. So this is something that I actually pay for month after month after month because I got the earlier version, but the cool thing is that you can get in for a one-time price. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, what it does, pricing. I'm going to go through the funnel and everything else. And let me share my screen to let me show exactly what Vidyz V2 actually does. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just wanted to show you my receipt for Vidyz. So I actually use this in my own online business. I'm going to show you some examples in a second, but as you can see, I'm paying $49 per month because I got the 1.0 version, the updated version, the unlimited version. Okay, and to be honest, it is 100% worth it. I even gave a testimonial to these guys because this is a tool that boosts conversions like crazy. And first of all, if you have any kind of a sales page, you need it. If you have any kind of a squeeze page, you need it. Or if you use videos in any format on any page on your blog or on your website, you need to have it because the old ways of using YouTube are gone. Okay, so this is just the proof to show you that I'm actually a paying customer of Vidyz. And right now let me show you a couple of pages where I'm using Vidyz on. Okay, so I use it on this sales page of mine. This is 24-hour commission hustler. As you can see, this is a video uploaded to Vidyz. Okay, so I didn't use YouTube, I didn't use Vimeo, and as you can see, it creates this little animated GIF which actually increases conversions when it comes to clicking on it. So you know, it's all tracked. People will click on this video much more and much more often versus just a normal Vimeo video or YouTube video, and this increases conversions, increases engagement, and increases sales. So this is what's in the end of the day worth all the money. And we actually tracked all of it, and just by having a Vidyz video comparing to any other video on our sales pages, it boosts conversions by 5 to 10%. We are talking thousands of dollars in sales more comparing to just using a regular video. So that's one example. Another one, this is actually the product that I went live a few days ago, Commission Trooper. As you can see, we have the Vidyz video right here as well. So again, a massive conversion booster, and obviously you can use Vidyz videos on sales pages, or you can use them on any squeeze page or any other page. Now, just to show you how a regular video looks like comparing to Vidyz, this is on my blog right here. So I uploaded this review video to YouTube. Okay, so if you click on play, as you can see, you know, we have all of these things that are distracting us right from the beginning. So people are not actually focused on the video and what I'm selling, but you know, they have this title to click on. If they're gonna click on it, they're actually gonna go to YouTube, where they can get distracted by other videos and you know, all the ads and everything else. So this is what I don't want people to do. I don't want people to click on anything else. I want them to watch the video, and then I want them to click on the link that goes to the sales page. Right now I post this video. As you can see, this is another distraction. We have all the other videos right here, and some of these are not even mine. Okay, so you know, if a person will watch one of my other videos, that's fine, but for example, this video is not mine, which means that someone is on my blog, they are watching my video, they click pause, and they are being distracted by some other videos from someone else. So a massive no-no. And as you can see on the bottom right here, you know, they can click on the YouTube icon right here. This will take them to YouTube. We can click on more videos. This will take them to YouTube as well. So, you know, YouTube is very smart in taking our content and just using it for driving people back to YouTube. Okay, obviously YouTube is free, but that's the exchange. Okay, so you don't pay for it, but you're losing tons of traffic and tons of sales, so you're losing money in the end of the day. Okay, so this is how YouTube looks like right now. Obviously everyone used YouTube for years because this was not the case still a year ago or 2 years ago. In today's world, you know, if you're selling anything using video, this is not the optimal thing that you can do. Now with Vidyz, let's check out the sales page. As you can see, the sales page says new, updated and improved for 2020. This changes everything. Video platform for marketers. Control 100% of your traffic for more views, leads and sales with 0 monthly fees, with commercial license included. Okay, so as you can see, this is a Vidyz video. So if I'm going to play it, first of all, you know, you have this cool GIF that just engages people and it makes sure that you actually click play on the video. Then when we click on pause, that's it. We don't have anything else. We can just click on play again. We don't have all these bells and whistles and the YouTube logo and more videos and none of it. Okay, so that's why people will actually stay watching the video. And the cool thing is that you can actually add a link from within the Vidyz video that will take the viewer to anywhere you want. Okay, to your affiliate link, to your website, wherever you want. Okay, but that's an additional feature. Let's check out the rest. Vidyz, again, this is the 2.0 version, so that's Vidyz 2.0 version V2, however you want to call it. So as you can see, you have 4 testimonials right here on the sales page and 1 is mine right here. So these are testimonials from actual paying customers. As you can see, Simon Harris, a 7-figure marketer, made an additional $300,000 in sales just by using Vidyz, and they are tracking all of it. Another $500 in revenue from Gaurav Madan. Then we have myself, so I'm saying that I increased my conversions by 5 to 10%, which is thousands of dollars in sales. And then we have Alejandro Sol as well. So again, these are actual paying customers, actual 7-figure marketers that use this. So that's why you should use this too. This is being released by Mike from Maine and Rutecky, 2 amazing marketers. You probably already know them. Again, they are explaining why you should use Vidyz and not YouTube videos or Vimeo. Again, Vidyz 2.0 or Vidyz V2, that's the name of this new product. 100% money back guarantee for 14 days, FAQ in the end, that's essentially it. And right now, I'm actually going to show you the inside of my own account. Okay, so normally for these reviews I'm getting review access, so this is something that I use sometimes, other times I don't, but this is again an actual members area of my own product that I'm paying for. So as you can see, we have welcome back art Flair right here. So this is my account. We have my video. So essentially how this works, you just upload your video to Vidyz instead of uploading it to YouTube or Vimeo, and then you can view it obviously. Then you can also integrate this video. This is where you get the embed code. You can edit the video settings or you can delete it. Okay, so that's essentially the same exact process as with any other video. So you upload it right here. Once it's uploaded, you can actually add slides or you can add GIFs. Okay, so this is slides. So slides, like if you want to show some different portions of the video all in one slide. Okay, so I'm not really using this feature, but this is just something that will engage your viewers much more. Let me go back to the main dashboard. Now GIFs, this is the feature that I'm using, because this is where, going back right here, as you can see, this is the GIF. So this is like a 3-second preview of the video. So the way it works is like, you know, people see this 3-second preview and they think that the video already started playing, and that's why they click on play, and that's why they will watch your video. Okay, it's much more engaging than having just a static thumbnail with a play button. So that's how you create your GIFs. Super easy. It takes, you know, less than 10 seconds to create these, and then you just add them to your video. Then we have tutorials. As you can see, we have the basic overview, video settings, embed code, using slides, video pages, creating GIFs, saving bandwidth, and video stats. So guys, if you've ever uploaded a video to Vimeo or YouTube, you know how to, you know, work with this. You upload the video, you create a GIF, you get the embed code, and then you install it on your page or your blog or wherever you want. Okay, so that's essentially it. It essentially, again, saves you all the traffic that you would waste on YouTube, because people just click away, they go somewhere else, they are not buying. Or Vimeo, actually you have to pay yearly. I think I'm paying like $300 per year for Vimeo. So you know, it's another option, but it's much more expensive. So with that being said, Vidyz will be a one-time price, and we will talk about the pricing right now. So as you can see, Vidyz will be $37. That's the early bird price, and $47 will be the price after the launch. Okay, so as you can see, what you're getting is, again, fully cloud-based video hosting / marketing platform. You're getting all the call to actions, coupons, offers, the auto redirect and the end of the video, high definition, high resolution videos, auto generated, SEO friendly, social media optimized, customizable video player, clickable call to actions, and much more. Okay, so another thing that I didn't mention is that Vidyz 2.0 or Vidyz V2 is actually mobile optimized. Okay, so the first version, you had to add an additional piece of code to make it mobile responsive. With Vidyz V2, you don't have to do it. It's all already organized, and you don't have to add any extra pieces of code. Okay, so that's just one difference from V1 to V2 with Vidyz. Then we only have a couple of upsells. Okay, so audio number one, that's the Vidyz Pro upgrade, $67 to $97, and this is an audio that allows you to remove branding on the player and auto-generated video pages. It allows you to add clickable and customizable lowered third link, and also GIF creator that turns your videos into animated GIFs. Okay, so that's the Pro upgrade. And audio number two is all access. Okay, so this will be either $47 per month or $197 per year or $397 one time, and this is unlimited video hosting, unlimited videos, and unlimited bandwidth. Okay, so the main version has some limitations, and I used it for 2 or 3 months without paying extra. You have the bandwidth, which means that you're essentially gonna get, I think, up to 2, 3, or 4,000 views per month. Okay, so that's essentially what you're getting. So if you want more views than that, obviously you're gonna need unlimited bandwidth, but this is already, if you're getting thousands of views on your videos, then you're already probably making thousands of dollars, so this is not a problem. So again, this will be $47 per month or $197 per year or $397 one time. And I actually think I'm gonna just pay $397 one-time price instead of paying, I'm paying $49 per month for Vidyz 1.0. Okay, so a great deal. Just think about Vimeo and paying $300 per year. This is a $300 or $400 one-time price. Great price. And again, you can upload unlimited numbers of videos. Now guys, as always, I have a full written review, and I have my huge bonus to Vidyz. Okay, so first of all, check out my fully written review. This is me and Mike and Brett, by the way, drinking some beers. So Vidyz will be going live on April 26th at 10 a.m. Eastern, and to get all of the bonuses that I'm about to mention, all you have to do is just pick it up from my link. You will have to pick it up anyways, especially if you're using video. If you're a video marketer, you see how powerful this is. So pick it up from my link to get all the bonuses as an extra. Okay, so first of all, I got 2 bonuses that are exclusive bonuses that Mike and Brett gave me for my subscribers only. This is a reseller's license to Brett's Bounce Baby. This is a piece of software, and also a reseller's license to Brett's instant video site. Okay, so 2 times reseller's license. Normally these reseller's licenses go for $97 to $197. You're getting 2 for free. Now going back to the sales page, actually right here, as you can see, commercial license is included, which means that you can do all of this, create all of these videos for your clients and charge them hundreds of dollars. And as you can see, one of my bonuses is Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. So these 3 courses will tell you exactly how to sell gigs on sites like Fiverr, and obviously you can do the same on Upwork or Freelancer or any other freelancing websites. Okay, so 3 top selling Fiverr courses. I'm also going to give you newbie traffic formula, Flip Me income booster, reseller's license to Flip Me, urgent arbitrage cash, easy arbitrage profits, Blaze, tube traffic avalanche, case study on free traffic, and additional huge bundle of software and plugins. Okay, so what you're gonna get is Affiliate Advantage plugin, giant plugins based sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar plugin, shortcode call to action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Azen Press, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, SlickPop, VidBot, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, PostGrid, Post Widget, WordPress Courses plugin, Client Extractor, Image Graph, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, and Facebook Photo Contest. Now guys, that's a total of 50 bonuses. But I'm not done, because you're also getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus Ws of the day and product of the day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means that you're getting a total of $3,797 all for free. Again, just as a thank you for picking up Vidyz V2 or Vidyz 2.0 through my link. And again, check out all the written review, guys. I really take a lot of time to prepare these reviews for you guys so you can make an informed decision. And just to sum up this Vidyz V2 review, this is a new and improved video player, fully mobile responsive, commercial license included, which means that you can sell these videos on Fiverr or any other freelancing marketplace. Integration with all autoresponders. This is something that I didn't talk about as well, but you can actually integrate your autoresponder. When someone clicks on the video, they go directly to a squeeze page, so you can do that as well. More engagement, more organic traffic, and more sales. Now, what I don't like about Vidyz V2, this is only for video marketers or people that use videos on their pages. So squeeze pages, sales pages, blog pages, etc. Okay, so you do have to use video, but with that being said, who's not using video these days, right? So guys, that's my Vidyz 2.0 review, and make sure to pick it up through my link to get all of these bonuses. Again, it goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern on April 26th. And once you pick it up, I'm going to show you how to claim my bonus right now. Okay, so all you have to do is go to your Vidyz purchase history, click on view details right here. So as you can see, I bought Vidyz right here. You click on view details, and below the button that says access your purchase right here, you should see another button that says bonuses from Art. So that's how you claim it. You don't have to send me receipts or emails or anything else. This is all done for you automatically. Vidyz 2.0, an amazing product. I hope you see how powerful this is. I'm paying for this monthly, so again, this is just the proof in the pudding. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.